Hello, good looking. Guess what? We are in Da Nang, Vietnam. Last time we visited was in 2019 and we are super excited to try some authentic Vietnamese food this time. But today we want you to come along with us as we tour apartment. Can you guess which one we will pick in Da Nang? Oh, by the way, this is the view from our hotel. Let's check out the price together. Well, right now we're in Da Nang and I would like to show you our hotel room and the price you guess. Okay, so this is our toilet, bathtub, yeah, and there's a view, very big bathroom. Really. See, they have this ding ding ding. Hello. Okay, so this is our toilet here, and there's a dance here. It's a very nice hotel room, you know, that you can tell. Now you hear the noises because we have the door open.
And there, my friends, is the balcony, big TV. Let's look at this view. That is Da Nang beach right there, in front of you. And this is in this is an area of town, kind of a expat area of town, honestly. This about 3 blocks that way, it's all like Western restaurants, and then starting around 4 or 5 blocks in is my favorite part of town, which is sort of the cool, funky area where the Vietnamese live. And so you get the Vietnamese experience. They're both right next to each other, so it's a great little neighborhood for this.
Well, here we stay here for 3 nights. So you guess how much is our hotel room? It's a very big bed here. It's a king size bed here.
It's mainly the view you're paying for, though.
Yeah, it's mainly the view that we're paying for that.
Do you want to tell them how much?
How much?
$23. Including breakfast.
Yeah, $23 including breakfast. So you got the number right or not?
So today we're going apartment shopping. We thought we'd show you. We usually book a hotel a couple nights. We walk the neighborhoods we like and find a place. We don't particularly like this one, but we're here. We'll show it to you. Chung doesn't speak Vietnamese, nor do I, so she's translating on Google Translate, which is something you'll have to learn to do. We're going to, it's kind of a cool little street. Can't really tell from here, but it's a living area.
It's 5 mil.
5 mil's about $200 a month. It's got a kitchen, bedroom, sort of living area. The power's not on, so you're not going to be able to see the kitchen very well. Toilet, shower, hot water heater, cooktop, fridge, washing machine. But 5 mil on a walk-in would be negotiable.
The internet speed. Oh.
She's asking about what it includes. And it has an elevator and stairs. And the internet's
31 down,
32 down, and 50 up. So that apartment's $200 a month. An English-speaking lady showed up, a Vietnamese lady. She was translating. Chung was able to ask her about some questions. So it was 5 million dong, but she said it's not how it normally is. It's normally cleaned up really nice with the bed made and dishes and rice cooker. Anyway, it's $200 a month. 211 is the current US dollars is 5 million dong right now. Off we go, see what else we can find. You kind of need to see the street it's on though, right? Check it out. It's pretty cool. It's like a little neighborhood area. Kind of charming. And by the way, it's just like, the beach is like 2 blocks behind us. And it's a pretty beach. So this is 35 dong. How much was this one?
35.
35 and
25.
25. And this is a vegetarian restaurant we're eating at. Yeah. It's an association put together by some of the Vietnamese family that ended up in Hong Kong during the boat period time. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. And they built this in 2016 in memory of the struggles. And let's try it out.
I don't know how to eat this one because, you know, just doing what I can.
This one's 9 million a month.
Anything between $30 a month.
People just moved out, so they're cleaning it.
Yes.
Has a microwave,
Because
fridge,
we have
it's hot.
we have a 2 air condition. Oh. Yeah. And that is very good.
One AC in
for
here.
You to save your electricity.
One AC
if you
in the
want,
bedroom.
To turn on to get
It's a really great neighborhood. We've been walking around this neighborhood. We love it. Look at it. There's so many trees here. Down on the street there's coffee shops and restaurants. And it's very nice. Oh, he's standing in front of the door, so I'll show you the bedroom through a window. That's the bedroom. The bathroom's over there.
Yes.
Okay if I sneak through?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's very nice, but you have
Nice. Look at this place we're in. It's a little coffee house overlooking the street. Very cool. This restaurant, it's just like a great little walkable area here. It's called, this place is called the Local Bean. Very cool. Pour from this side so they can.
Yes. Oh?
That's it for now. I'm gonna have to suck a little out of there first.
Just heavy. It's chocolate ice cream ice, huh? Hey, too long already, you.
No, it's not coming out yet.
Are you sure?
That's good. So this one's $265 for a month. Has like a bathroom here. Hot water, by the way, I checked it. Fridge, cooktop, microwave. That's the kind of kitchenette or whatever you want to call it. And then it has like a studio sort of. Got the bedroom. Got the little kitchenette. And there's the balcony out here. Oh, hi. That's a washing machine over there. You see? And here's the view. So.
Oh.
So you see all this and the everything go with it. That's the duck embryo there.
Okay, I will not choose that one for sure.
So I can let me. Maybe you want to prefer the everything but the duck.
Yes. Everything but the dog.
Okay. So perfect.
Thank you so much for helping.
Okay. So here you see when they'll enter the scene you want to sit on.
Take a seat, he'll feed you, hon.
And you can see that's really like traditional from the Hanoi style.
That looks like tofu there, yeah?
That is the tofu. It's already in there.
Nice.
We have like homemade shallot fried, deep fried shallot. It's golden and have bring in the aroma go in it too.
Very nice.
So yeah, everything but no the dog.
Yeah. Everything but the duck egg. Yeah. So that's one most favorite thing here because you want to try everything because happy the two kind of pork there. The duck, somebody will like it, will enjoy it. Some I wouldn't recommend it already, so I'm gonna want it at the first.
Thank you so much for helping, really. I was trying to figure out what to order. Everything here but no duck, which is very nice.
Everything but the duck.
Yeah.
Here's the condiments here. Spicy shrimp paste.
Very nice.
And a vinegar, a wine vinegar of some kind, you said. Let's see. Comes to foodie. So let's see.
I tried the soup already, it's very nice.
Yeah?
It's very
you
local.
like the base, we call that in the US. Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. Finally, I got some Vietnamese local food. So, any guesses on which apartment we are picking in Da Nang? The answer will be in the next video, so stay tuned. If you're planning a trip to Vietnam, make sure to watch the video in the corner on your screen right now. Catch you in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.